You can also attach auto-animated GIFs inside of Microsoft Teams. So to do that, you can go around either onto new conversation or reply. And over here, you can see GIF as an option. So you can go around and select out a GIF of your choice right here. And then you can see that it is attached and you can press enter to send it. And a GIF is sent, but it is not displayed outright over here. You have to click in order to view the GIF. You can also add in GIF to the reply right here. So if I were to go around onto GIF, you can search for the GIF you want. Let's say, for example, you want to search a GIF related to nature. So you can type in nature and then go around and press enter. And GIFs related to nature is actually seen, as you can see. You can go around and click right here, and then you can see that this is what you have, just like this. So you can go around and press enter, and then there you go. You can see that there are two GIFs right here, but you need to click to actually view them. And that is how you can add in animated GIFs to your messages inside of Microsoft Teams. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.